Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of Geography of class 9. The title of the chapter is India Size and Location. In this video, we will discuss India and the world and India's neighbor. India and the world. India occupies the greater part of South Asia. It has a central location between the East and the West Asia. The Indian landmass is the southward extension of the continent of Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula extends towards the Indian Ocean, helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. India has the longest coastline on the Indian Ocean as compared to other countries. This eminent position is the reason which justifies the naming of the Indian Ocean after the name of the country. India's contact with the world have continued through the ages, but its relationship through the land route are much older than its marine contact, its maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passes to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interactions. These routes have contributed to the exchange of ideas and commodities between India and the rest of the world from ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana and the stories of the Panchatantra, Indian numerals, and decimal system have reached many parts of the world. Spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. The influence of Greek sculptures and the architectural style of domes and minarets from West Asia can be seen in many parts of India. Before 1947, there were two types of states in India: the provinces and the princely states. Provinces were ruled directly by the British officials who were appointed by the viceroy, but princely states were ruled by local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return for local autonomy. India's neighbor. India has an important strategic position in South Asia. It has 29 states and 8 union territories. India shares now India has 28 states and 8 union territory. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north. and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Two island countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives, lie to the south of India across the Indian Ocean. All these countries are part of the Indian subcontinent. India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives lies to the south of Lakshadweep. Thus, India has strong geographical and historical links with its neighbors. Indian subcontinent, the countries of Indian subcontinent, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives are the countries of the Indian subcontinent. In the next video, we will discuss the question answer.